and my dear friends. Today the TESOL class will be going to present a drama called Three Little Pigtails.
It's time for you to build your memory. A big bad wolf roams nearby, so make them strong and safe.
What happened? What's it doing? The big bad wolf is coming. It's coming. Look, I see a pretty rattling in. Not by the air or not, chilling. And we are a big hog. You cannot go down in. I will hop and hop, and I will know your house. I cannot blow down the brick house.
I need your reason. It is not you.
I saw her, guardian mothers. I think I saw her. Thank you. Such beautiful sound.
What a party we have today. But it seems I received the invitation. What is our situation? Am I that bad? Yes, listen well. All of you. The princess will grow to grace and beauty, loved by all the people. But before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she shall prick her finger on a spindle and fall into a sleep like that. No, please don't do it. How can I forget what you have done to me? Please don't do this, my friend. Please don't do this. Well, she can only be awakened unless she receives the true love kiss. No power on earth can change it. Ha 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 ha.
I could not leave you too much. I'm sorry, Aurora, for what I've done. I cursed you. No, mother, you saved me.
You must win this tour. If you succeed, you shall be my wife. Even she.
Hello.
Oh, what